Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how you can move apps to SD card on your Android device. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, you can use a third party app. You can download a third party app that allows you to move apps to SD card. And here I'm going to suggest some popular options like app MGR3, AirDroid, and apps 2SD. So after downloading the app, select the app you want to move and then choose the option to move it to the SD card. So it is important to note that not all Android devices support moving apps to SD card, and some may require updating to a newer version of the Android. And additionally, some apps may not be able to move to SD card due to their size or other restrictions. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.